FOEx Suite workflow. The FOEx Suite workflow is completed through the following steps: receiving client drawings, site creation, team setup, field circuit construction, tag generation and attachment, field inspection, and final report generation. To configure areas through FOEx Suite, drawings, related information, and equipment specification sheets and lists are requested and received from the client. The system provides comprehensive information about the site, including warning status, configured areas, the number of installed equipment, and the current inspection status. Based on the information provided by the client, areas are configured and equipment is created to build the field. By clicking the plus button next to the site name, users can create areas, equipment, junction boxes, and distribution panels. When configuring areas, if there are divisions or environmental changes such as the use of specific gases, each section can be managed as a separate area. Environmental information can be stored for each area, enabling suitability assessments of the equipment applied to that area. Equipment installed at the site can be created within the system. Basic information and explosion-proof certification details are stored, and compatibility between the area and equipment is evaluated. Warnings are displayed if irregularities occur. A junction box installed at the site is created, and its basic information along with the issued explosion-proof certification is stored. Based on this information, the compatibility between the area and the junction box is evaluated. A distribution panel installed at the site is created, and its basic information, along with the issued explosion-proof certification, is stored. Based on this information, the compatibility between the area and the distribution panel is evaluated. To conduct inspections, a project is created and the equipment to be inspected is registered. For each piece of equipment, the inspection type is defined, and both an inspector and a manager are assigned to ensure proper oversight. Create a project to inspect the equipment on site, and register the equipment to be inspected within the project. When clicking on equipment registered in the project, a window opens for saving detailed inspection information. Equipment icons created through site setup are displayed. When these icons are moved, arranged, and connected, the site wiring diagram is provided. Create a project to inspect the equipment on site, and register the items to be inspected. When a registered equipment is selected, a window appears to save detailed inspection information. By choosing job personnel, the job manager and workers can be assigned, ensuring that only designated personnel are authorized to perform inspection tasks. Equipment icons are generated. These icons can be moved and connected, allowing the field circuit to be configured with ease. All equipment icons created in the site through setup are configured within the circuit. When entering the circuit window, a toolbox is available, offering functions such as equipment and distribution panel placement, multi-selection, single selection, and more. All equipment icons created in the site through setup are configured within the circuit. By clicking and dragging, the icons can be moved and arranged to accurately reflect the layout of the drawings. All equipment icons created in the site through setup are configured within the circuit. By clicking and dragging, the icons can be moved and arranged to mirror the drawings. By selecting the end of one icon and then another, wiring is formed, allowing the connections to be built exactly as shown in the drawings. Generate tags for the equipment through FOEx Suite, and attach the corresponding tags to the field devices. Inspectors conduct equipment inspections assigned to them through job setup projects. During the inspection, any irregularities can be documented and photographed directly in FOEx Suite. All recorded information is automatically synchronized with the web through the cloud. Reports are automatically generated from the equipment information recorded during field inspections. With FOEx Suite, safety operations in hazardous locations become easier and more efficient. FOEx suite shortens preparation and inspection time, while enabling systematic management of inspection accuracy and documentation.